Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your PNC account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your PNC account's password, firstly open your Google search. Type in PNC login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. The official page of PNC account will appear on the screen. Tap on Sign On option on the top right corner of the screen. It will take you to the login page of PNC account. Tap on Forgot ID or Password option. It will take you to the page where you need to verify some account information to reset your password. Enter your online banking user ID, last 4 digits of social security number, your full PNC account number and click on Next. You will be guided to the page where they will further assist you on how to reset your password. Follow the steps and you will be able to reset your password for PNC online banking account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.